Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring assets like USDT securely is a must-know skill. Today, we're breaking down how to move USDT from your Phantom wallet to a Ledger Nano X step by step. This process is straightforward but requires caution to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First off, what are we dealing with? USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, perfect for stable transactions. Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly app for managing crypto on networks like Solana, while the Ledger Nano X is a top-tier hardware wallet that keeps your assets offline and secure. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Step 1. Ensure both wallets are set up and verified. Open your Phantom Wallet app and double-check that your USDT is visible in your account. On your Ledger Nano X, connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Make sure your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. 2025 brings new security enhancements, so don't skip this. Step 2. In Phantom, navigate to your USDT balance and select the option to send or transfer. Enter your Ledger Nano X's receiving address. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger device itself to avoid any phishing risks. Copy the address carefully from Ledger Live. Step 3. Double-check the amount you're transferring. Remember, fees might apply depending on the network, so aim for a small test transfer first if you're new to this. Step 4. Confirm the transaction in Phantom. You'll get a prompt to approve it, review all details, then hit send. On your Ledger, it will display the transaction for final approval. Press the buttons on the device to confirm. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to process. This usually takes a few minutes on the blockchain. Once done, check your Ledger Nano X balance in Ledger Live to ensure USDT has arrived. A quick word on security. In 2025, with rising threats, always use a secure connection, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your seed phrases. If something goes wrong, reach out to official support channels. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Phantom to Ledger Nano X in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, and it'll keep your crypto safer. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.